as one of the top 10 most serious natural disasters in the world. Lightning strikes has caused tens of billions of direct economic losses and tens of thousands of casualties every year, seriously threatening the enterprise production and personnel safety. Sunlight has been engaged in the grounding lightning protection industry for 20 years. By cooperating with the Chinese Academy of Sciences and well-known universities in China, after years of research and development, Sunlight has successfully developed its new product, Lightning Protection System, LPS. Developed with advanced MEMS technology, the new system has better stability and higher reliability than traditional field grinding sensors, and can be used in inflammable and explosive or other dangerous places. The new system conforms with IEC 62793 and has get 10 certificates, including explosion-proof, waterproof, dust-proof, anti-corrosion, high-low temperature, salt fog, vibration impact, electromagnetic compatibility test, wind resistance test, and other general technical indicators. Sunlight's LPS can effectively solve the long-term problems of lightning, electrostatic, electrical fire, and other safety issues faced by petrochemical, aviation, electric power, etc. It monitors real-time changes of atmospheric electric field within 15 kilometers, combined with the electric field differential algorithm, improving the warning accuracy up to 90%. Give alert 10 to 30 minutes before the lightning strike comes. Remind users to take effective precautions by using platform, SMS, audible and visual alarm. At present, Sunlight's grounding system have been used in more than 70 countries, covering the following industries: petroleum and petrochemical, storage, transportation, refining, chemical industry, aerospace, radar station, oil depot, airport, civil construction, tourist attractions, schools, golf courses, power industry, power station, substation, transmission tower, infrastructure, ports, railways, and tracks. Sunlight's lightning protection system has been applied in coastal project of CNOOC, Yangzi Petrochemical Project, as well as schools, factories, and Malaysia civil construction industry. By using Sunlight lightning protection system in various fields, the effective rate of lightning detection and warning has reached more than 90%, which greatly reduces the disaster caused by lightning. In the future, Sunlight will continue to uphold the spirit of excellence innovation, provide global users with professional, efficient, high-quality lightning protection and grounding services.